Good morning, dear students. Today we will start our fifth unit of physical education, class 11. So, fifth unit is yoga. So, first of all, we will understand the introduction of yoga. So, here introduction of yoga is given. Today, man is not living in happy state of mind. So, today's men, they are not happy and they are not living the happy state of mind. Most of the men run after money, and money is everything for most of them. Means for today's men, money is everything, and they run after money to earn money. It is mother, it is father, and it is God. Means for me, money is everything. Money is father, money is mother, and money is everything. And they run after the money to earn money. Some of them fall prey to lust, means they are running after the money to get money, and some consider women and wine are everything for them, and some people consider, they think that the women and that wine is everything for people. Some of them keep themselves busy in unhealthy competition, and they want to leave others far behind. Because of money, the people of today, they want to leave others far behind. They are people who have all materials, comfort, modern amenities at their command, but even then, they are much worried and disturbed. Because of money, people are much worried and disturbed. The condition of poor and the farmers is always pitiable, and because of the money, the condition of the farmers, the condition of poor people is pitiable, miserable condition. Because of money, they are living very miserable condition, and they are victimized by the politician. They are poor, that's why they are victimized by the politicians and herders. Thus, we find everything having mental tension in one form or the other. Under these circumstances, yoga can play a vital role to reduce and eliminate mental stresses. Here, mental stress or mental tension. So, yoga play a vital role, most important role, to reduce all these things, all these tensions and all these things. Moreover, besides this, yoga develops optimum level of health. It develops the best level of health. Yoga develops the best level health of the people, and it leads a happy life because they lead the happy and prosperous life of the people. Meaning of yoga. Here, meaning of yoga is given. So, the origin of word yoga is formed from Sanskrit word use. It derives from the Sanskrit word use, and which means to join. It means yoga means to join. According to Patanjali, who is supposed to be the founder of yoga, the meaning of the word use is to stabilize, means to set. To stabilize the mind for the union of Atma means soul and Paramatma means super controller. This is the union of Atma and Paramatma. Here, the meaning of yoga, the meaning of the word use means is to stabilize. The set means to set the mind for the union of Atma and Paramatma. In simple word, yoga is a way to join God. Merge of soul with God and experience of oneness with Him. According to Swami Digambarji, here Swami Digambarji says that yoga is a union of Atma and Paramatma. And according to Satyapal, here Satyapal says that yoga is derived from Sanskrit word use, and which means union of soul with God, means union of Atma and Paramatma, means here it joins soul with God. And another definition of yoga according to Shankaracharya, here Shankaracharya says that yoga is withdrawal of sense organs from the worldly object and their control. This is the withdrawal of organs, sense organs, from the worldly object and their control. Here Gita, according to Gita, says that describe yoga as evenness of temper, means calmness. Evenness of temper means calmness. Here practically speaking, yoga is a life science, and according to practical, here it is said that the yoga is life science which deals with the health of body and harmony of mind, means it is related to health of body and adjustment of mind, means yoga is here health of body and adjustment of mind, means harmony of mind. The main purpose of yoga is to provide sound body, means healthy body. The main purpose of yoga to provide a healthy body and be the tension free and sound mind, means healthy mind. Its purpose is to provide sound mind, sound body, healthy mind and healthy body. The ultimate aim of yoga is self-identification. And what is the ultimate aim of yoga? Self-identification means to identify ourselves. And self-perfection means to make perfect ourselves, which comes through self-purification. And all these things, all both things, self-identification and self-perfection comes through the self-purification. Means if we purify ourselves, and through that self-identification and self-perfection come. Here and self-realization, to realize ourselves. So we can say yoga is a way of life, and a means to enjoy complete happiness. Means yoga is means to enjoy complete happiness, healthy and peaceful living. Union of Atma with Paramatma is possible by the purification of body. If our body is purified, if we purify our body, then it can be the union of Atma with Paramatma, that is possible. According to Ashtanga Yoga from Patanjali, yoga consists of 8 stages to achieve the union of Atma and Paramatma. Here, yoga consists of 8 ages. Here, next is the importance of yoga. What is the importance of yoga? You can see here, yoga is science, and as well as the art of living. Okay, yoga is science and art of living for healthy and happy and prosperous life. Thus, its effects are mostly internal. The effect of the yoga is mostly internal, and regular practice of yoga develops and purifies body. If we practice yoga regularly, it purifies body and mind also to its optimal level. Optimal level means to its best level. It develops proper functioning of glands, and in a balanced form, it develops ability to control our sense organs to function properly. Means it develops everything, glands and balance. It develops the ability to control our sense organs, and that functions properly. It relaxes our stresses. Yoga relaxes through yoga. It relaxes stresses, tensions to lead a peaceful life. It cures many chronic diseases, means old diseases. It cures the old diseases to benefit health of individual. The effects are as under. What are the effects are as? Here some effects of yoga are given here. You can see. So first effect of yoga is improves cardiovascular system. It improves cardiovascular system. Yoga asanas and pranayams improves the efficiency, means capacity of cardiovascular system. Thus endurance. Here endurance is highly developed. Means endurance means stamina. Means here it highly developed with a sufficient level of strength ability. Through yoga, the endurance can be developed, and it strengthens respiratory muscles. Yoga develops the respiratory muscles also and other organs to optimal level, means to best level. Next is away from cardiac problems. It keeps away us from cardiac problems. Yoga practice cures and improves the efficiency of heart, means capacity of heart. It improves the capacity of heart. It keeps us away from the cardiac problem, means heart related problem, heart and abdominal viscera, heart and abdominal viscera, and get gentle massage by asanas and pranayams. All these things, heart and abdominal viscera get massage, means it is cured by asanas and pranayams. Next, third number, proper functioning of digestive organs. Yoga asanas, pranayams and its kriyas improves the efficiency of digestive organs. The digestive glands functions properly through yoga. Moreover, besides this, it develops high level of immunity. Yoga develops the high immunity. Next is the control over sense organs. It keeps control over sense organs. Yoga practices develop the ability to control the sense organs, and it develops them to function properly according to the individual needs. It also relaxes the body from its pains and thus it stabilizes mind. It makes stronger the mind as well as the body. Relaxes stresses and tensions. Yoga relaxes stresses and tensions also. Yoga relaxes the body and mind. It removes the stresses, tensions and worries from the people. Thus, it freshens our mind and soul completely. Through yoga, our mind becomes very fresh. And next is the develop concentration. Yoga develops the concentration of the people. Various techniques of yoga develop the concentration to great extent, to maximal level, and thus memory recalls ability increases. And memory means remembrance ability increases through yoga. The meditation technique stabilizes the deflection mind in the proper direction. If our mind is deflected, it improves our mind in a proper direction. It keeps our mind in proper direction. And good posture. Yoga asana tones of face. It improves. Yogasana improves the body and its muscles. It separates the body to look attractive, and it reduces excessive fat from the body and prevents obesity. It also regulates proper diet according to the individual needs. Next is removes ortho problem, means bones related problem. It removes bones related problem. Many types of chronic ortho problem like arthritis, joint pain, spondylitis, bad bones, etc. can be prevented and cured through yoga. Next effect of yoga is cures diseases. Yoga cures diseases also. Yoga practice prevents and cures many types of disease like cold, cough, asthma, gastric problem, constipation, piles, high blood pressure, etc. And yoga prevents premature aging. It also prevents the premature aging. Yoga techniques prevents premature aging. Thus, old age factors can be delayed and optimal, means best healthy living can be attained. It improves health and hygiene, means yoga improves health and hygiene also. Yoga practices improve the health and develop hygienical habits of the individual, thus healthy and happy and peaceful and prosperous life can be achieved.